Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, we are going to check out a bunch of World Balance sneakers, including the newest colorway of the collaboration of DJ Big Boy Cheng with World Balance, of course, featuring, well, Secret Fresh, his art gallery. So excited? I am. Let's go. By the way, quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand. They come out with amazing bracelets, necklaces, rings. They even have like statues and art toys now. So they're an amazing brand, high quality products that won't cost you an arm and a leg if you want one. And speaking of great value, they are doing a 25% sale now. All you have to do is to click the link down below. And by the way, you can get a complimentary bracelet every time you guys buy something and check out of the store. So again, Rose Gold and Black, link down below, sponsor of today's video. So let's jump right into it. So this is the World Balance Secret Fresh DJ Big Boy Cheng new collaboration shoe featuring the Ice Perm silhouette. So that's the sneaker over there. Pink green, my size 13. Brown carton box with the logo here at the top. If you pop it open, you have the Secret Fresh World Balance tissue paper, and then you know loud bam, this is it. This is the new sneaker of DJ Big Boy Cheng together with World Balance. So you have wow, three main colors for the shoe. The middle part is some sort of like loud pink. You have the leather blue sperm heart on the lateral and the medial side. You have another patch of green suede here at the toe box. You have a lighter shade of green for the Velcro straps. And then you have the sperm heart logo here at the back, white over pink. You have that white midsole. And I love this added touch of orange. This orange line that you see cutting across the shoe. It's just a really nice touch to this overall vibe of the sneaker. And then you have a darker shade of pink for the Velcro along the middle part of the sneaker. So yeah, looking great. This one sells for just 2,299 pesos. That is definitely not expensive considering the quality of the build and the collaboration that you're getting with this particular shoe. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for more sneakers that won't break the bank but look pretty dope, and yeah, you can support Filipino too, this one is worth looking into. Again, the Secret Fresh World Balance DJ Big Boy Cheng, pink, green, Ice Perm. Now, apart from the sneaker of DJ Big Boy Cheng, World Balance were also kind enough to send over their new sneaker lifestyle shoe, which is called the Templar. And I did see the review of Rai Ikatar. He's our good friend. And apparently, this is like the Invictus Killer or the Invictus 2.0. So to those who don't know what the Invictus is, that is one of the best-selling sneakers of World Balance. I have reviewed a bunch in the past. Link down below. Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Dusty's enjoying the unboxing. So anyway, so here we have the box. If we pop it open, bam! Wow. Nice. So I can instantly tell why Rai mentioned that this was like Invictus follow-up, because if you take a look at the midsole or the tooling, even here at the outsole, it actually resembles a lot of the things that you would see with an Invictus shoe, right? So to those who are familiar, comment down below what you guys think. For the colorway of this sneaker, this is some sort of like white with baby blue. So you have a knitted upper with different overlays to give it texture and structure. This one is a little bit harder, the one near the toe box. And this one, the middle part is mostly made out of breathable knit. The eyelets is a mix of some sort of like strap together with the TPU eyelets over here. You have a collar instead of a detached tongue. So it kind of looks like a slip-on type of sneaker more than anything else. But yeah, looks very comfortable to wear. I haven't tried it on yet. So maybe at this point in the vlog, we will try it on so I can give you guys a quick review of how it feels. So there we have it. That's Dusty again. But anyway, before we get to the on-feet though, I'll show you the other colorways that they sent over for me to unbox and feature here on the channel. Here we have it in another color. This one is, wow, this one is a black and red color of the same sneaker. Again, this is the World Balance Templar. Nice. I don't like the yellow pop here at the outsole, but overall, looks great. Ganda. Very nice. And again, it is affordable at around the 2,000 peso price range. You won't have to pay a lot to get this shoe. Yeah, last but not the least, this one. Oh, this one is looking good. Really nice. So this one is some sort of like dark blue with orange accents. Nice color combination. Among the set, this one will probably be my number one, followed by this and the black and red. The black and red would have been nice, but I really don't like the yellow yellow part of the outsole near the forefoot. How about you guys? Which of the three is your favorite? Is it the white one? Is it this one? Or is it the black red one? Let me know in the comment section. Dusty, which one is your favorite? Dusty, say it to the vlog. Dusty, which one is your favorite? Which one? You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. I was just able to try on both sneakers, both silhouettes. This is the Secret Fresh Ice Perm shoe. This one, just like the previous generation sneakers in this particular line, not really super wide feet friendly, but they are comfortable if you have narrow or normal size feet. Again, they are not expensive at a little over 2,000 pesos. They are a special collaboration. The colors are very unique and very different. Definitely has the touch of DJ Big Boy Cheng. So just take those into consideration if you're thinking of buying this particular shoe. Wow, my hair is a mess. Sorry guys, as usual, I am shooting this the moment I woke up. As for the Templar, they are comfortable. The midsole technology is definitely there. You feel the cushioning. The knit upper is great. The only issue is that while I already got it at size 13, it still fit a little bit small. So you might want to consider going either a half size or a full size up. And if you have really wide feet, you might even want to consider going a full and a half size up. Best to just test it in store before you buy. The great thing is they're not that expensive. They sell for a little over 2,000. I think it's just like 2,100 pesos. So overall, it's great value for money if you are looking for a sneaker that you just want to beat up. So great sneakers from World Balance, great sneakers from DJ Big Boy Cheng. Congratulations, World Balance Philippines. Congratulations, DJ Big Boy Cheng. Quick wristwatch check of the day. This is the Seiko Naruto collaboration featuring Sasuke. So to those who are fans of Naruto, this is a great automatic watch featuring the master of the Chidori. Well, that was supposed to be Kakashi. But yeah, he's a really cool dude. Check it out. If you guys are fans of Naruto, they have a great collection with the Seiko Naruto collaboration. This one's just one of the pieces. They have one for Naruto, Boruto, Sarada, Rock Lee, Gaara, Shikamaru. A really nice line. If you guys want to know more about this particular set or this particular watch, check it out on my watch channel. I'll link down below to my watch YouTube space so you can check out the watches and more. Okay, and that actually wraps up this quick episode for the day. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I am publishing this on February 14, so that is Valentine's Day. So I just want to take this opportunity to greet every single one of you. Happy Valentine's. I hope you guys have a special day. You have a meaningful day. Again, always remember Valentine's is not just about that, that love with that special someone that you have. If you haven't met that particular person yet, you can still celebrate Valentine's with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. There are a lot of people in your life that you can celebrate love with, right? It doesn't have to be a certain kind of love. Love is in its purest form. It's all about sacrifice. It's also all about giving. So it doesn't necessarily have to be always romantic. Lalo na kung wala pa, di ba? But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing fine, and I hope that you all have an amazing week up ahead. This is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.